Hello everyone, my name is Vishnu Mano and welcome to The Den. So if you've been viewing our channel, you may be thinking, where did those two guys disappear off to these last couple months? Well, things have been changing in Developers Den. So today I just wanted to make a more formal announcement that both Krishna and I have begun creating YouTube videos for different channels. If you want to continue to learn programming for free, please visit my channel, Vishnu Mano, linked in the description box below. And if you're interested in learning about public policy or exploring global pressing issues, please visit Krishna's channel, The Take with Krishna Mano, which will also be linked in the description box down below. Developers Den has been such a unique opportunity for both of us and has helped us learn how to teach programming virtually. We hope to create more entertaining and informative videos in our new channels, so please do go check our new projects out. Thank you, and I will see you later.